Did you know that by 2026, the global data analysis market is expected to reach $20.3 billion, with AI-powered tools driving 70% of the growth? If you're a tech-savvy professional looking to boost your productivity and make data-driven decisions, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the best AI tools for data analysis that require no coding, so you can save time and get the insights you need. First, let's talk about what makes these tools so special. Unlike traditional data analysis software, AI-powered tools use machine learning algorithms to automate tasks, identify patterns, and provide actionable recommendations. This means you can focus on high-level strategy and decision-making, rather than getting bogged down in data entry and manual analysis. One of the top AI tools for data analysis is Google Data Studio. This free tool allows you to connect to various data sources, create interactive dashboards, and share insights with stakeholders. Let's take a look at an example.